Hi, I'm Josh Hockman with the Park Industries Customer Service Department. On this video, we're going to be setting the machine radius on the velocity. So to start out with here, I'm going to go to my manual screen and I'm going to miter down and bring my bridge down to 0. So I'm all the way down now. I'm going to come to my main screen and get into my setup screen by pressing and holding the PI. Hit next until we get to the machine offsets here. We can hit OK. We can see our R values pulled in because we do have our tool toolware set up for our smart spindle. We can click machine radius, and here's where we're going to set our machine radius. It does give you nice instructions here. I do need to go back to the manual screen. I need to extend my smart spindle and raise that up to my plate here. So go back to manual, and I'm just going to extend my smart spindle. I'm going to swing my screen around here, and I'm just going to be extending and retracting here, and I'm going to adjust my jog increment distance here to fine tune that in. That won't be on camera. We'll have the camera on the actual tool itself while I'm setting it. So from here, I'm just going to slide my aluminum bar over, push that tight up against them red rollers, and I'm just going to turn that smart spindle. And I do not feel it hitting. It does, you can see possibly on the camera there that I do have a small gap in between there. So I'm going to just jog that up some. And I'm going by 10,000th increments now. And I'm going to just keep extending my smart spindle up until I can feel that just touch that aluminum plate. Right there, it just hit. And it's hitting a little hard. So I'm going to cut my jog increment distance in half and start retracting. And right there, I can feel it just touching, but it's not pulling the aluminum bar. And I am putting a little pressure with my elbow on the aluminum bar also. Now, I can also see that it is leaving a little bit of aluminum shavings on the tool itself. Once I have that set, I'm going to pull my aluminum bar away. I'm going to up my speed a little bit here on the miter, and we need to miter up. Acknowledge my 0-degree prox alarm here, and then we need to miter up until we get up to the 180. I'm just going to go until I touch that prox. Right there, I hit the prox. So now I'm going to come down, back down to my tool here. I'm going to just put it on this side of the tool so we can see better. do my best to stay out of the camera's way, but now I just want to take a measurement from the bottom of the tool here to the bottom of the aluminum bar. And I think actually we're going to swing around to the opposite side of the machine here. We'll come on the back side so I can get a decent measurement. It looks like we are about 1 inch and a 32nd of the aluminum bar. Once I have that value, we are going to come back to our main screen. We can turn our system on because I have the doors open. And come to our setup screen. Come to our screen here. Come to our machine radius, and you can see we're going to take our distance and divide it by 2. So I'm going to take my inch and 32nd here, divide that by 2, which gives me a value of 0.515. And that's how you set our machine radius. And what that will do is it teaches the machine where the center there is, so it knows how to calculate your full bowl nose and any of your more encapsulating edges where it's using the full radius of the machine. If you have any questions with setting that up, give us a call at our customer service department and we'll gladly walk you through that. Thank you.